Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Redington launches Center of Excellence for HP Indigo and HP Industrial 3D Printing Solutions, a future-ready demo and experience center designed to accelerate the convergence of digital printing and industrial 3D manufacturing. Spanning 20,000 square feet, the facility is built as an open, collaborative platform that brings together manufacturers, brands, startups, print service providers, service bureau, solution partners, and industry stakeholders to experience, experiment, and scale next-generation printing technologies. Conceptualized around Redington's Unlock Next narrative, the Center of Excellence reflects the company's commitment to unlocking new possibilities for customers, moving beyond hardware enablement to application-led innovation, scalable solutions, and sustainable growth. The facility offers a live, end-to-end environment where ideas can be validated, workflows optimized, and production-ready outcomes realized.
Thank you for coming. Sorry to keep you all waiting. A very good afternoon. Welcome to our opening of the COE. We call it the Center of Excellence for Indigo. And Redington has partnered with HP since 2004. Most of our businesses that we are in is kind of a volume moving business. This is actually a very unique business where you have to really showcase the product, and the customers are investing a lot of money to buy this, and it's going to be their lifeline. And so this Center of Excellence becomes extremely important to demonstrate and showcase the products to our customers. We call them print service providers or print bureaus. And Indigo has the best printing technology from Hewlett Packard. I think the partnership has been more than 20 years. We are partnering in the areas of photo printing, printing albums for weddings, all the way to offset commercial printing and labels and packaging. It's been a great journey. We believe this Center of Excellence that we are opening up here will actually grow our business together a lot more. I used to work at HP many years back, and I actually have been part of the Indigo business as well. So I know how good it is, and globally it's a fantastic business. Obviously Arnon will talk a little bit more about it, and I have worked with Arnon as well. Congratulations on the opening, and congratulations, and we look forward to making this very big.
Thank you, Harry. So first of all, great to see so many interested in this opening. I think it's a great statement of a very strong relationship. You mentioned the 21 years, very transformative years for the industry. And I think that together as organizations, we see ourselves playing a role in transforming a very traditional, conventional industry that exists over 500 years now, and is going through great transformation, digital transformation. The technology that we together bring into the market is embedding so much innovation, is more sustainable than ever in terms of the environment. There's a lot of AI in the printing presses, in the processes, in the solutions around it, really looking into the future that looks completely different than what we expect, what we experience today, and broadening the set of applications, what these type of equipments can do for consumers, for brands. And what's amazing about this place is that it's going to serve the entire ecosystem. So from training to exploring new applications, to working with print service providers and packaging converters to transform their businesses to more efficient ones, to more advanced ones. And this is exciting because we work with an ecosystem. We show involvement in the entire industry, not just working with our customers. And that's, I think, a philosophy that we share, that we need to be there when customers and partners are there and to work together towards an exciting future. So for me, it's very exciting. Thank you very much for doing this, for opening the center. It's a great statement of confidence.
இந்த ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் ஹெச்பி அண்ட் இண்டிகோ ரெடிங்டன் ஹெச்பி இண்டிகோ 21 வருஷமா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்தியாவில் நாங்கள் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த டெக்னாலஜியை கொண்டு வந்தோம். இந்த சென்டர் வந்து உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாம் லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜி இருக்கு. இது வந்து கஸ்டமர்ஸ்க்கு இல்லை, ஸ்டார்ட் அப்ஸ்க்கு, யார் பிராண்ட்ஸ்க்கு யாராவது வந்து எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ணி புது அப்ளிகேஷன் பண்ணனால இந்த சென்டர் ஓப்பன் ஆகுது. ப்ளஸ் ஃபார் எங்கர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், எங்கர் ஜென்ரேஷன்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம ட்ரைனிங்லாம் கொடுக்குறோம். ஸோ பிரிண்டிங் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் வரணும்னா அவங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி ட்ரைனிங் கொடுப்போம். எக்யூப்மெண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே வந்து லேட்டஸ்ட் எக்யூப்மெண்ட் இருக்கு. வேர் வி ஹேவ் ஏஐ, வி ஹேவ் லேட்டஸ்ட் சாஃப்ட்வேர், வி ஹேவ் எக்ஸ்ரே, இது எக்ஸா சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜிகள் இருக்கு. அது நம்ம கஸ்டமர்ஸும் நம்ம ப்ராஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ், நம்ம பிராண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே வந்து இங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
We are actually delighted to see our customers, industry leaders, brands to be part of this remarkable day, and it's really one of our important milestone for us. And this has been possible only because of the trust which all of our customers have shown in this technology. And the COE actually is going to offer a platform to our customers towards their digital adoption into this arena, and moreover it's going to even help them on the process optimization. It's surely going to even, as rightly shared by Armand, will even be seen as a hub for a professional training. Even it's going to further strengthen the customer journey into digital adoption. This year even add on to our happiness, it's our 21 year of our association with the Redington, and their market expertise along combined with the HP technology have really shown a path to the customers toward digital transition, and I wish them great success, and I look forward to even much more stronger going forward. So thank you, thanks to all of you.
What's the main purpose?
Center of Excellence.
Center of
How are
Excellence.
you going to benefit this?
ஸோ ஒன் வந்து ஓவர் தமிழில் பேசலாமா இங்கிலீஷில் பேசலாமா? தமிழ்லேயே பேசலாமா? இந்த ஃபெசிலிட்டி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து anyone wants to come into the business, anyone wants to come into the business, or the existing customer wants to come into or grow his business, this is a center where அவங்க வந்து எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பண்ணலாம், புது அப்ளிகேஷன் கொண்டு வரலாம், இங்கே டீமோட ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம், சாஃப்ட்வேர் வச்சு ஏதாவது டெவலப் பண்ணலாம் டெவலப் பண்ணலாம். இது வந்து அவங்க எண்ட் யூசருக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். அதே போல் பிராண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, பெரிய பெரிய பிராண்ட் வராங்க, அவங்க ஏதாவது புதுசாக மார்க்கெட்டிங் பண்ணணும், இப்போ பேக்கேஜிங் ஏதாவது பண்ணணும்னா நாங்கள் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். மூணாவது வந்து இந்த எங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, அவங்க ட்ரைனிங் கொடுப்போம். ஸோ தட் ஃபியூச்சர் அப்போ வந்து they can take care of the printing industry. ஸோ அதுக்குள்ள நிறைய இது பண்ணுவோம்.